What is that?
Burr oil.
Burr oil?
Burr oil. From my little doohickey. Just using little daddy today, a lot easier.
Yeah, they're not big trees we're taking down.
Nope. This thing's sucked in just a skosh.
Yeah.
Oh, I got most of it in there.
Okay.
Get the old chainsaw starter rooski. We need our chain right there.
Sure, make me carry the heavy stuff. That's heavy, honey.
I know. I'll take care of it.
Looking handsome.
What?
Looking handsome.
As usual.
Yep.
Why you married me? It wasn't because of my big brain.
Yes, I'm checking on you.
What can I help you with?
You don't have the mics on, so.
What can I help you with? Can you hear me? Hey, hey, hey.
Just seeing your progress. Being a sissy.
I know. That's what I was thinking. I got a big giant sissy for a wife sitting there. Oh, it's raining.
I'm thinking of the cameras. I know these are waterproof, but the mics and
blah,
stuff.
blah, blah. Will you grab this assistant?
Okay.
And this?
What do you want me to do with it? Put it in the house?
No, meet me up there. We gotta get our lengths on our trees now. I'll get these trees moved up there.
Can you see yourself?
Yes, I can see myself. I'm in frame, director.
All right.
So, I think I might have got something a little itchy on me or something.
Uh-oh.
I'm feeling a little itchy.
Go wash your hands really good.
And I itch my nose already.
Yeah, there's stuff in here. Yeah, go wash your hands.
Don't tell me what to do. I'll meet you up there by that log.
Okay. It's a long log, my friends. You're about to get it, you know that, mister?
Yep, and the way I like. So, tiny house is 14 feet wide. So, we're gonna need some margin for error in case it shifts. So, I'm thinking $20 feet.
Okay.
That only leaves us 3 feet on each side. I mean, that's not a lot in the grand scheme of things.
Nope.
It's right here in the center of the tape. So 20 feet. This log, clearly. This log, 20 feet.
Uh-huh.
Compared to this log, 20 feet. To get these sections to match up. Right? Because they got to be roughly the same circumference. So maybe we have to match. But the reality is, from here forward, probably matches up to this log closer.
Yeah.
Right? Would you say?
Yeah.
This 20 feet. So, well, let's make our mark.